Right, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alright, well, talking about what do you think about education in Aceh, band 34 from Indonesia. I don't judge for every student in Indonesia nowadays, including I don't judge for every teacher in Indonesia or Aceh nowadays. Why Aceh still, very totally low education? That's because, as we know nowadays in Banda Aceh, totally very awesome. Every student, they start learning. It's 800 until 1400, right? 800 until 1500, and then including 1500. I have no idea why the education nowadays like that. No, because they're talking about that, because our governor, they don't care about, we are different students, different knowledge, different brain. Every student sometimes genius, clever, when they got anything about it, got catch up everything about knowledge, totally very awesome, totally very quickly, as they explain about that. Example, math, chemistry, basic, including English or languages. Some students, when they get bored, learn something like math, chemistry, basic, and that, they get bored. And then when they get bored, anything about knowledge, anything about science and about that, they couldn't catch by their brain. Just because nowadays, not only in Aceh but also the other province media, still low education. Yeah, Banda Aceh totally awesome education for every student. But have we got bored? Don't talk about so far away from Aceh. You can go, West Aceh, South Aceh, East Aceh, Middle Aceh. They very totally low education there because line in the farming district just now. Governor doesn't give for coaching for every teacher for how they to change about curriculum, how they to teach or teaching every student, every school. Just because I don't judge for every student, every teachers, for all with the kids, good method. Life, how do we just style for teaching style? Which one better is can get very fast than very long about that? Just that. The point is depend for our students nowadays. Some students can mastering talk very fast. Some students don't understand what the teacher say. So in Aceh nowadays, don't know about anything about English. Every school, just you can count by yourself, 10 or 15 students can speak English very well. But the other, most people don't speak English well. But in Malaysia, Singapore, and then Philippines, Brunei, you couldn't judge our country because learning English for us, we learn about English foreign language. But in Malaysia, Singapore, and then Brunei, including Filipino, they have second language, not foreign language. But our second language is, our mother tongue, bahasa Aceh. Second language is bahasa Indonesia. So the point is, I think, I'm not cool with that because in Aceh, very, very low education. But in Banda Aceh, a lot of students very clever and things. Because after they went home from school, they learn by course, nothing but that. They just forget about education, Islamic education. Don't know faith, don't know theism, don't know about how knowing about God, don't know anything about that. They just thinking about again and again, every single day, every single week, every single month, how get behind grind, and then better college. After I finish this school, I'm going to get better college. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.